EXP, a national real estate agency, held its National Community Day today. The idea to show communities that they are there for the help that they need and that agents want to help you. Christy Hayes and Emily Garcia both work for EXP and decided to continue with an initiative that Christy started in the spring called Join Hearts, Not Hands. Today, the pair delivered bird feeders to the Genesis Healthcare Nursing Home in Fairmont. Both Hayes and Garcia say that they wanted to give back to their home community.
I think we all have been in a place, especially during COVID, that feeling of being alone and secluded. And then I think if we take what we're feeling and we still have some sort of connection to the outside world and then multiply that by an infinite amount, that's what these residents are feeling. So to do anything just to brighten up their day, it's just a small way that we can give back.
And all the bird food and feeders were either donated or bought through monetary donations. If you would like to contribute to the GoFundMe for Join Hearts, Not Hands, you can find that link at WBOY.com.